The amount of water added to refractory castables during construction is determined by the particle size distribution and the ratio of binders. Pouring materials do not have good performance with a large amount of water added. Adding too much water can cause separation between aggregates and base materials, affecting their performance and reducing their density and corrosion resistance. However, insufficient water addition cannot achieve fluidity, bubbles cannot be expelled, and the internal structure cannot form density accumulation, which will still affect various performance indicators. During construction, it is necessary to follow the instructions we provide and mix water reasonably to fully utilize the performance of refractory castables. If there are any problems with the use of refractory castables, I can help you solve them at any time. If you are unsure which type of castables to use, we also provide specific solutions.